How to copy your logo from Google to MS Word. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to copy a logo from Google to MS Word. It's quick and easy, so let's get started. First, make sure you have your Word document ready where you want to copy the logo to. Now, after it's done, you need to go to your browser. Simply go to your browser and then search for the logo that you want to copy and paste it to your MS Word. Okay, let me search for any logo. Go to your images and here you can see this company logo. I like this one, so let's simply go and then click on the right hand side. Now you can simply copy the image. The image is copied. Now let's get back to our Word file. Go to your Word file and here once you tap on the right option you will see the paste option. Here you can either keep the source formatting or you can paste it as a merge formatting. I'll keep the source formatting. Once it's done, you need to reduce its size. In order to do that, simply reduce its size like this and it's good to go. You can keep it anywhere. In order to do that, you need to select square with text wrapping and now you can move it anywhere as you like. And that's it, you have successfully copied a logo from Google to MS Word. If you like this tutorial, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you in the next video.